Good evening, dear friends. Today we are teacher 9th class subject English. Topic first or lesson. Subtopic the necklace. The lesson of 1.4 9th class. The necklace. We know that. What is the necklace? The jewelry of the woman's wears on his neck. Necklace. Many women are attracted for the things. They are so greedy. Any woman so greedy for any jewelry. Gold, silver, diamond. These lessons propose that what is the effect of greed, greediness. The names of lesson is very simple, but the morals of this story is very serious and so useful of our life. We can learn that many more things in the lesson. This lesson about that the person, any person, he or she did not satisfied for his life. At all time get a depressed, unenjoyed, and ruthless. Why? His expectation did not clear, did not complete. Sorry, not clear, did not complete it. Why? His expectation of did not complete it. His expectation was so high, and his family conditions, his economic conditions, so poor. So they did not achieve something in his life. We are teach here in this lesson the woman, the Mathilda, his expectation is so high, but his family did not complete his expectation, his fulfillment. Sorry, her fulfillment. So I am read the lesson. Mathilda was a pretty and charming girl. Pretty means beautiful, and charming means so attractive girls. But born as if by an error of the face. Error of fate. What is called of fate? Fate means unwanted family we are born, unwanted situation we are get something wrong. We call the fate. The error of his fate. Into a family of clerks. He born into a family of clerks. A poor family. We call say. She had no means of the becoming known. So she had no means of becoming known. No famous. His name or his work. Because he born of this common family, a clerk family, a poor condition. So had no means of become known. Did not hear is known. Known. Understood. She did not understood and love it. Or B. Waited on the aristocrat. He is not waited of the aristocrat. And so she let herself be married of the minor official of the Ministry of Education. So he let herself the married to minor official, minor officials of at Ministry of Education. His husband's to do works the Ministry of Education. It's a common family, like as his family. She dressed plainly. He wear the dressing plainly, simple, not expensive. The low costed clothes he wear plainly, simple. Because she had never been able to afford anything better. She had never been afford anything better. His family did not afford the expensive things. So he used of the simple dresses. She suffered endlessly. His hearts always sadful. His sorrow endless sorrowful. The feeling she was the untitled all the luxury of life. He did not entitle and luxury things. Like as luxury things we call luxury things a big house, big gardens, expensive things like fridge, TV, or expensive material. But he has no entitlements because she blame of his fate. His blame of his fate. You why? Why did born of this poor clerk family? Why not be born of the palace and rich person family? He always blames to his fate. She suffered because of her shabby, poorly furnished house. She suffers. She always said, here, his house. The furnished, poorly furnished. Poorly furnished. All these things that another woman of her class could not even have the notice. All that things that another woman's when we example of another woman's of her class will not even have to notice, not understand, not realize, tormented her and made her resentful. Made her resentful means rude, anytime angry. And speak too fast and angry. She dreamed of the grand. She dreamed grand. Grand meaning here many more. Lots of money in his her. Lot of anything. Palacials and mansion. He is expected the sea dream of the grand and Felicia. When a king of place, the Felicians her dreams. With the vast rooms and inviting small rooms. He expected of his house. So grand, Felicia. And vast room, the big room. Here are available dinings, mini-bars, keyboards, cupboards, and so on. But inviting was small. Where? Why? We can discuss here our friends. And this separately. Her friends for afternoon chats with the close friend. And he expected our friends come our house for chatting in the afternoon with the close friends. Yet she had no rich dresses, no jewelry, nothing, and these were the only things of the beloved. Yet she had no rich dresses, no jewelers, nothing, and these were the only things of the Sita. She wanted to so much of charm to be the invade, to be the invade. Any person invade. Hereby a big house, cars, he invades. To be the sought after. To be sought after, that's way. She had a rich friend. She had a rich friend, a former schoolmate at the convent, whom she avoided visiting. His friends also were so rich, but she avoided to go to meet her house and meet her, because afterwards she would weep the react, regrets, despair, and misery. When he come back our homes, she would weep, crying in the corner of house, sitting on the corner of house and weeping, crying, regret, despair, and misery. One evening, her husband come home with an air of the trump, holding a large envelope in his hand. Large envelopes, bags. Looks, see, shoot it. Look, he said, here's something for you. I get. I bring it. Something good for you. She wrote, open the proper and drew out of cards. And, she tore. She tore, opened the papers and drew out of the cards, and which was the printed in the words. What is his husband's bring his hand the card of invitations, a big party, and show that the invitation of ours. We both of you, but she is not happy to see the card. The Minister of Education and Madam George Ramponum request the pleasure. Request the pleasure. Ma'am and Mr. and Ma'am, Lois company at a ministry on the evening at Monday, January 18th. This is an invitation card of the party. You come. Please you come here. They written the words, printed the words on the cards. Instead of being delighted as her husband had hoped, his husband has hoped that our wife is so delighted, but did not happen this thing. She threw the invitation card. Throw it. She threw the invitation card on the table resentfully and muted. Muted means some words, a lippings, a small face. What do you want me to do with that? What do you want me to do with that? What to do that card? And what do you expect me to wear off if I go? What things we wear when we go to the party? I have not expensive clothes, not any jewelry. What do we wear? And what to do to the card? Say feelings or his husband thinking about that sister needs sometime. He hadn't thoughts of that. He hadn't thoughts of that. What to do? Our wife is not ready for come with his to party. He distressed. He did not think that's what to do. We realize that the parts of the expectation, his thinking, and the sadness of his condition, her condition. He did not think any about the love of his husband love. He gets how to look her charming, beautiful. Only is thinking this. The greediness on his mind. Okay, friends. Next parts we discuss the next video. Thank you.